She said, hey my day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, we made it home with the transmission. Y'all not gonna believe what happened. But I'm gonna go over there with y'all. So I get there to go pick it up, cause I went ahead and paid for it. I don't know if I'm gonna show that clip because it was on my phone. But I went ahead and paid for the transmission, and he was like, well, you can just leave your car here, you can go ahead and pay. And I'm like, dude, trying to get over. Cause the other transmission was a good transmission, guys. It just wasn't the right transmission. It was 4-wheel drive instead of 2-wheel drive. So I'm like, all right, cool. Well, I already paid. So I'm like, well, I might get away with getting this transmission. Cause at first I was worried about getting screwed, but kinda he got screwed. You know what I mean? So I get over there today. I pick up the transmission. He like, hey man, what was that thing you gave me? That was like some old raggedy transmission. I'm sitting there trying not to laugh. I'm like, man, we doing an LS swap. He was like, man, you said a 2002 GMC. I said, yeah, that's what the motor is. And I'm like holding up the receipt like, well. He's like, all right, man. Well, pull back there, they'll load you up. So, long story short, I ended up getting, bam, that boy anyways. So guys, we are ready. I think this is the only thing holding us up. Y'all already know, if y'all watched the previous videos, we got the wire harness. What else? We already got the front end done. We already got the headers done. And oh yeah, shout out to my brother if he watching the video. I don't even know if I went over this. I don't think I did. But we got the 1972 cross member. We found one in like Illinois or somewhere. My brother got it powder coated, and then my buddy painted it at work. So good deal there. So we pretty much ready to go, y'all. Might have to worry about transmission lines and stuff like that later. But just to get it going, we should be good. I also ordered the new starter. What else? I ordered a lot of stuff. Intake cover, the spark plug wires that are made for headers. So yeah, we looking real good, guys. I just want to show y'all that this is probably gonna be a pretty short video. We had a dust storm earlier, but it's kind of cooling off right now, so I might clean up under the car and get ready to kind of jack it up, clean up under there, and get ready to stab this transmission in there. Also, they even gave me the torque converter, so we came out on top on that deal, guys. So anyways, like I said, this is a short video, so guess what? We'll see you on the next video. Peace.